Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to spool a push button or closed face rod, whatever you call it. And yeah, let's get into it. I would recommend this rod for bluegill or beginners or just going after small fish. This isn't really like a heavy duty rod. So yeah, it's just a little bit of my whatever you call it. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna have to do is unscrew this at the top of the rod. And then you're gonna take all the line that was connected on the end and bring that back so that way the lid is still there. And then the next thing you're gonna wanna do is take out all of the line. I just finished unspooling everything, so now what you're going to do is try and cut the line as close to the inside as you can. And of this, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread the line through all of the eyelids of the fishing rod, like all of these, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, so now it's threaded through all of the little eye holes. So now what you're going to do is take the cap and then you're going to thread it through that. And then you're going to tie a really tight knot around the end of this. So that way, if you ever do run out of line, you don't lose whatever's on the end of your rod. So now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna take the lid, or like the cap, then you're gonna screw it on right here. And then you're gonna start reeling it in, little by little. And what's that? So basically, I have my string connect to that, so that way when I reel it in, it's taking line off of that, which makes it much easier to spool your rods. But what I'm going to do right now is just reel it in, and every now and then I'm just going to take this off, so that way I can see how much line I have stocked up right there. So now what I'm going to do is put the cap on, the cap back on the reel. Make sure you don't get the line stuck while you're screwing it in. And then just test it out. This is a pretty old reel, but it's doing good still. Now what I'm going to do is tighten it all to make sure there's no extra string just in the way. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Brand new string in. And yeah, so what I like to do right now is just take it to the end of my reel and then just cut it right here, and then you should be good. Brand new 15-pound test, so it should never break off. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching today's video where I re-spooled this Zebco push button closed face reel. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.
Testing, testing.